All right, so how to fix bifold doors that keep on sliding out of the track or falling out of the track. Relatively simple. I just finished it up. So what I'll show you is, so this side was a good one. So what happened is whenever I would open up the doors, this track right here, this clip, would keep on sliding back and forth, no matter how much I tighten this screw. Okay, so this is the good side. So we'll put this one back in. And we'll take a look at the other side. This is the side that kept on causing me problems, because every time I would open it up or close it, this would keep on sliding through the track and it would keep on making the door fall out. So all I did was take out the initial screw. Okay, so unscrew the tightening screw that is supposed to tighten to the track. Usually means the track is probably worn out. And I just took the right size bit here, drilled a small little hole where that original screw is, and then I just put in a screw that can go through the middle and drill through the wood and tighten it with a Phillips screwdriver or Phillips drill. And now I don't have any more issues with sliding doors, okay, or falling out. So just make sure that you mark it up where it is. And as you can see, I did a little blue Sharpie there so I can see where I wanted to line up. But yeah, just pop a small little hole where the tightening or the fastening screw is supposed to be, and just put a little longer one and have it go up into the bifold closet doors, okay, or the bifold closet trim, and then you should be good to go. Hope that helped.